This little gadget lets you disable those super annoying alerts anytime you want. Things like speed limit warnings, seatbelt chimes, and the start-stop system. Technically, you can turn these off from the car settings, but every time you turn the car off and start it again, they reset back on. With our device, the car actually remembers your last settings, so nothing turns back on unless you want it to. Alright, let's get into the installation. We need to install the device on the car's system module. On the BMW X7, it's located on the passenger side, above the footwell area. To access it, first, remove the door sill cover. It's held in place with clips, so you can easily take it off using a plastic trim removal tool. Next, remove the lower glove box cover. After that, you'll be able to remove the panel that covers the system module. Now, you'll see a few connectors here, but we only need this one, the white connector. Unplug it, then connect it to the black connector on our device. Then take the white connector from the device, which is an exact copy of the original, and plug it back into the car's system module. After that, route the cable up into the glove box and place it somewhere convenient. Also, quick note, the device comes with a so-called blind plug. If you connect that, the device is completely disabled and the car goes back to factory settings. Super useful, so you don't have to take everything apart again just to remove the device. Alright, installation is done. Let's move on to activation and testing. There are two ways to activate it. First method, press and hold the BC button for 10 seconds. When the hazard lights flash, that means the device is activated in the first mode. Repeat the same process to switch modes or turn the device off. Second method, download our free app, SKF Speed, version 2, on your smartphone. Connect to the device via Bluetooth, and you'll be able to control everything directly from the app. As you can see, we have 3 modes in total. Mode 1 disables the start-stop system. Mode 2 disables start-stop system, speed limit warnings, and the seatbelt alerts. Let's test it. You can see the speed limit warning, and I'm not even wearing a seatbelt. Now let's turn on Mode 2. And just like that, all warning messages are gone. Switching back to Mode 1, this one only disables the start-stop system. As you can see, when we stop the car, the engine no longer shuts off. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.